Today we will study about cutter radius compensation G40, G41 and G42. G40 means cutter compensation cancel, G41 means cutter compensation left, G42 cutter compensation right. Why we should use cutter compensation always? It allows the program to use the part geometry exactly as from the print for program coordinates. In this case, if we are not using the cutter compensation, each and every time the programmer knows the cutter size and he has to put offset in the registers. Suppose during machining the cutter may be broken, so he has to select the same dia, the programmer or operator, he has to put the same diameter of the cutter. He cannot take another size or other size of cutter. For example, the programmer has done dia 10 mm in mill, he always instruct to operator to put dia 10 mm cutter. If the cutter has broken, he cannot put dia 12 or 14 or 16 or dia 8. He has to put exactly the same cutter size. But if you are using cutter compensation, during operations the cutter may be broken, so he can change. Instead of 10, he can make it 12, 14, 16. But the important point is he has to put the diameter in his machine. It is most important. He has to enter the diameter in that machine. Then only it will accept and it will read from that machine. In this class, I am going to explain G40, G41, G42, the compensation cancel and left and right. We have to create workpiece or model. We can go to folder, cutter radius compensation. We have created one. Here we can go for G40, G41 and G42 name for easy reference purpose. Okay. Sketch command, rectangle command by using from center. My width of the workpiece is 60 mm and height is 100 mm. This model again using the same command 40 LT. Then I will make it corner radius. File. Go to extrude command. Go to other extrude command. I have to create one contour or profile. I will write this sketch command. I will save it. Then go to datum coordinates. I made it 5 mm above because I created profile 5 mm. The uses I set in center in top surface. Here the top surface. Then go to applications. Go to manufacturing, CAM general, take it mill contour, go to geometry view, MCS means machine coordinate system, under mill, go to edit, we go to specify that MCS, here I put it, we can put anywhere, any place, here or there or this center. Normally the people will do, wherever the uses will come, that machine coordinate system will be coming for better reference. That another one is safe clearance distance. I already explained many videos. 10 means the cutter will come above the workpiece of 10 mm. Second, we have to go for workpiece. We go to specify part. This is my part. The blank, we have to go for bounding block. This is my blank. My material, we go to select material here. There are number of materials available: carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel. That code number of 1116 carbon steel, and it gets the hardness of 100 to 150. This is free machining material, so I take it. For reference, you can put mild steel. Now operation, we have to create operation. Go to contour, take it ZLEVEL profile, go to program. We have not selected tool so far, but geometry we have selected workpiece. In method we can go for finishing, means directly we will finish the contour without giving an allowance for showing purpose. Otherwise we have to go for roughing or semi-finishing, then only we will go for finishing. Now we have to specify that cut area. This is my cut area. I have to check it whether all surface has been selected or not. Go to working, tool, create new tool, go to NMILL. Here you can take it dia 10, 20, 30, whatever you require. I am by default I am taking, or I can take it 25 mm NMILL. The length of my NMILL is 75 mm and flute length is 50 mm, and it gets two flutes. For reference purpose, you can put your tool material high speed steel cutter. Tool number 1. Next one is that method. There are so many methods: roughing or semi-finishing or finishing. Here we will consider finishing. You can go and edit whether the part stack is there or not. Already defined 00 means you are not giving any allowances. Next, maximum distance. Here my profile or contour height is 5 mm. For showing purpose only I am putting 5 mm. Otherwise we will go for 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm. For showing purpose I am putting 5 mm depth. In cut levels you can check it. Range type is automatic, constant. The maximum distance is 5 mm. It shows each and every options available. Cutting parameters, we go to check it whether stock is there. Already defined 0, so there is no stock material. Then non-cutting moves, how we are touch the cutter in the workpiece by using helical, or by using rampant shape, or by using directly plunge. Normally industry we can use helical or rampant shape to give live to tool or to avoid damage or broke the cutters. If you are giving plunge, it will directly penetrate in the material. The cutter may be having chance to broke. Better go for helical or ram. The retract means after completion of the workpiece, how the tool will retract back. Here I am just putting same as engage. How the tool was engaged, the same process the tool will retract. The most important thing is speeds and speeds. Here already we have decided that workpiece material is mild steel and my cutter is high speed steel. The cutting speed might be 25 to 30. I am considering 30. If I am putting this calculate, that feet per tooth automatically calculated 0.3272 mm and the RPM of milling cutter is 382. We have to go for optimist, then OK. Now we have completed everything. We have to check it. We have specific part and we have specific cut area. We have selected tool. We have selected method and we have given depth of cut of one time cut 5 mm and we cutting parameters, non-cutting moves, speeds and feeds are completed. Then go for unit. Now we will see, we will verify by using 3D dynamic. In this case, I am not giving any compensation left or right. This by defaultly it is taking G40 cutter radius compensation nil, means each and every time you have to take dia 25 means dia 25. If the cutter may be broken during machining, you have to change that cutter and the same dia of dia 25 only we have to take it for showing purpose. Now we will go for post processor. Post processor I already explained. Go to mill 3 axis, browse a post processor. Here we are giving lot of post processor, n number of post processor available. If you are going numeric 840D IN means inch, 840D underscore mm means it will give the reading of metric. So by default I have taken this. Then where you want to browse your file, here you can browse. Here you can give file name 40. Then whether you are going to get post processor inch or metric, we need metric, we have to put metric. See here the post processor, you will not find any G41 or 42 and we are not giving any compensation or left or right. G40 it comes cutter radius compensation cancel, G17 XY plane and tool is coming on vertical plane, G90 absolute coordinate system, G71 metric system, T01 tool number 1, M06 automatic tool change holder, S RPM 382, M03 spindle clockwise, Z10 in safe clearance. You might be knowing that we have given 10, that G43 cutter height compensation 10. Here you can reading, you can put 40 or 50. This is the height of the tool where we registered for compensation. Then it will give depth of 5 mm once and it will complete, and after completing this one it will go back 10 mm above. Then this is spindle only stopped but program not end. We can go for N 0 290 M30 spindle or colon, everything will be off, means program end. You can to save it. You can save for any one name. You can save for G40. Save it. Now we will close it. In this case, I have not given any cutter radius compensation. Now we will go for cutter radius compensation G41. We have to go for edit, go to non-cutting moves. Here you will find more options. You have to click, then all finish passes or final finish, means each and every time that cutter compensation you want to give it, or at the end of the cut you want to give it. You can put any one as you like. Here minimum move 10 mm. This minimum move, it is the distance away from contour profile 10. If you are putting 90 degree, you see the difference. It will start from here and end will, and it will match on 90 degree. We go to generate programs, and top view you can go for top view. See, this is now the cutter will be in this place. Then it will go to profile and it will go left of the profile. It will travel here. It will travel. Then it will go to here and it will departure that cutter. Then it will come to center. Then it will come and approach like this way. So each and every time the cutter is in this position, it has to approach, then running around the profile, and after that one it will go back departure, then go to center. Slowly we will show it, very slowly, then only you can see. Now we have given cutter radius compensation G41. After that one it will departure, then it will go center. If I am putting, now I will explain later on by one mm. Now we can go for post processor. Post processor, already we have selected mill 3 axis metric part. Directly we can go post processor. Here you can see, here G41 means now it is taken cutter radius compensation in G41, that after travel here, this is G40, means from here G41 start and up to this line, up to this contour, here the G40 is completed. In this way we can put that G41. Then we can close. How we can go for G42? Somebody wants to work with cutter in right hand, right side, means instead of cutter going this left of the profile, somebody wants to right of the profile. Here go to non-cutting moves. In more, here there is no options available in G42 right compensations. Here it is not available. We have to go and we have to go for cutting parameters and go to strategy and go to content. In strategy, that cut direction is climb cut. This you might be knowing that up milling or down milling. Climb cut means down milling. Here we have to change it for conventional up milling. Then go to OK. We have to generate. Now we will verify. Now the cutter will come center and it will start from right hand. Right, right means right to the profile. Here it will start, it will go back, will come, then it will departure and it will go on center. You see. Okay, okay. We will go and see whether it is correct or not. Post processor metric. Go that one. See here the G42. Yes, applied. The program has been created by G42. Cutter reduce compensation in right up to this one. See the difference. G41 means the cutter will move left to the profile. G42 means the cutter will go or move right to the profile. You always keep in mind that you are standing in the profile. If you are going center, it will go left means G41, right means G42. So in this way, we can change cutter radius compensation G41 or 42. Once again, I will explain that. Go to edit options, go to non-cutting moves, go to more options, and you can minimum move 5 or 7 or 10. That you might be putting 45, 60, 90, 90. You can see that better movement for that cutter. You have to OK. You can verify. You can see the cutter has given compensating right means right to the profile. We want to go and see or change that cutter G41. Go to cutting parameters. Here we have to change it. Clamp cut means down milling. Take verify. You see the difference. Now the cutter has gone for G41 left to the profile, left compensations. In this way you can make it G41 or 42 as per your requirements.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.